Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. It's Angela, the Traveling Crafter, and it is preview day. So these are items that are coming to one of our live sales and or to the Makers Market. And we do have, let me see, we do have an upcoming live sale. Not tomorrow, but we will have one the next week because it is the first Thursday of the month. So let's just talk about some of the things. This is going to be primarily books, but these will be coming in the coming weeks to lives or the Makers Market. I went to a epic estate sale that was clearly this woman was a junk journaler, a crafter. Really loved her some Christmas and holidays. And I went again on day 2, and it still seemed like they had not even really made a dent. So I chose, after I had gone through, to not stay for the rest of the day, which was half price day. It was a lot. And I feel like I got some really great things to bring to the sales. So I decided to spend my Saturday a little bit differently and not digging through boxes. But I did yesterday, and I did today for a bit. So I did find the Little Golden Picture Dictionary. That will be coming to a live. Santa's Surprise. They had tons of Little Golden books. I only bought a few. Love this one. I love Santa. I think is just so cute in this one. And then I love this one. It's not that old. I mean, it's got a barcode on it. Mommy's All About the Work They Do. And this one doesn't even look like it was ever opened, but I just think it's a cool book and would make an awesome journal. So those are coming to a live sale, along with the hymnals. I got a Bobbsey Twins in the Country. I think I already have this one, and I'm pretty positive that I do. So that means this one is coming to you. Now, something that's not coming to the Makers Market immediately or a live sale are these books. But if you know, you know. I bought these for a reason. These are all readers. I call them retro readers. And they will be each, well, as many as I can get done, will accompany a school days bundle, which were very, very popular, very well received, and I sold out immediately. So what I do is I find a reader, then I do, it's 100 plus different pieces in there that are all reader and, old workbooks, vintage, ephemera papers, so that you can do your journals. So there are a lot. I like this one a lot. So all of those will be in those bundles. This one's unique. I like this one. It's called Lost and Found. And I like the images. They're just softer, I think. So cute. So there's that one. There's Open the Gate. And the last one is always a good one, a favorite. We Are Neighbors. This one I might be selling. I don't know. This one's questionable. I need to look this one up. But at any rate, they will all be in bundles eventually. Let me see. Now, one thing that I never find out in the wild, I have sold all of mine that I had, but I was lucky enough to find something I think that you'll all be excited about. So I have, these are 2022 Daphne's Diary. That was February, I believe. It was the first one of 2022. This is 2022. This one is 2023, as is this one. And this one is 2021. So all of the ones I found, I picked up for you guys. And then I also found this 1914 Vintage Botany Botanical Illustrations. So this, I don't know who the author is of this. It doesn't even say. But you'll see these often. They're usually self-published ephemera. C. Anders. So these are just old pieces that have been scanned and put into a book for you. So those will be coming as well. Now, I found a couple of these on day one, and the rest I found today. But this is where it gets crazy. So I did not even look at the books at all until today. And I was very excited, and I think you will be too. And we're going to check these out together. I've sold this one before. I think Carol sold one too. But this is the Country Diary Book of Crafts, or maybe it was Sarah. But this is the second one I will be selling. It's really cool. I do have one of these myself. I use it for a lot of things. So there we go. If you love Edith Holden, you know. This will be coming to a live sale. Then I found the Country Diary Visitors Book. This is kind of cool. This is Edith Holden from 1989 was the publishing date. So look at that. It's got the name, date, address. This one I'm on the fence about because I think they would make such neat pages, but I'm not really sure. So if not, I might just keep, I may keep, Art Extravaganza. I may just take it apart and then just take a few pages and share them with everybody else. Then I found not one, but 2 copies of the Country Diaries of an Edwardian Lady. I've sold a lot of these that I found before. But these are the first ones I've ever found at an estate sale. And she must have really liked them. So these will be coming to an a live sale near you. And then, let's see. I found 2 of these. These are the paperback, smaller versions, which I love these. I don't know if I have one of these. I'll have to, I don't think I do. So I might keep one and then I'll sell the other one. Because these are great. These make great journal cards. Great size. All right, so I found 2 of those. And then finally, another one. I don't think I've ever seen this before. This is called I haven't found it. Garden Notes. Cute. There's what it looks like if it doesn't have the cover. Just so if you're looking for one. What's this all about? 1984. And it must be for somebody who's a gardener, I'm assuming. Yeah. The first 3 months of the year are difficult for both the gardener and for the chronicler. This is cool. This would make a cool botanical pages. All right, so that one's questionable, but all the rest of them are coming to you. In fact, I should probably take out these 2 because I do see I don't have that small one, and the rest of them are all on their way to you. But that, if you can believe it or not, that was all the books that I picked up, and there were thousands. I could have stayed there for a very long time, but I did not. I picked up a couple of things for gifts. And yeah, it was crazy, but I have at least 1, 2, 3, 4, probably 6 more videos to go. At least. And probably 2 or 3 of those, well, at least 3 of them are preview videos. So stay tuned. There's more to come. And I appreciate y'all being here. I appreciate you subscribing. I invite you to, if you haven't. We have a lot of fun. I would love for you to tell me what's your favorite thing that you saw today, and to let me know what you're up to. It means a lot. Until next time, friends, remember to take time to just be. We'll see you soon. Cheers.